Welcome to another video tutorial. This video is especially for those who were using SRplot website for their data visualization. And in this video, I will walk you through the major updates they have recently made to the SRplot website, and I will discuss about those issues which you have asked me through the comments or the email. So I will address the first major update between the Chinese version and English version free points. So as you may have noticed previously that we were in the need of a few points to perform a few basic plots, especially in the Chinese version. So as here you can see the Chinese version new name is V Shengxin, but still the URL or the website address bioinformatics.com.cn still remains the same. And as here you can see the English version of this website is still the SR plot. We can also access the English version of SR plot website using our same previous address, which was bioinformatics.com.cn/en for English version. So the first major update I will talk about the Chinese version and English version free points. So as here you can see now I have 975 points. A few of you might have come across this problem that when you perform any analysis it shows that you have 0 points. So if you are using Chinese version, so you need to recharge your points through Alipay or WeChat Pay. But the good news, if you are using any English version and you want to perform any module or any basic plot in English version, so still you need points, but for English user these points can be recharged free. So how you can recharge this point? So simply you need to go to this address, you need to give your email login, and you need to provide your university name, and they will recharge your points for free. So you can just ask them to this ding at the rate of bioinformatics.com.cn, and you can request them to recharge your points if you are any English user. And the second issue the second update which I will talk about is the login issue. So this issue might have faced by those who are just new or they come first time to use this website. When they register to this website, and as you know we need to enter our details like name, email or the university name, but once they enter their email they actually did not receive their activation code. So most of you have also waited and most of you have also even changed the email, but still this problem was not resolved. So I will give you a way that how you can resolve this problem. Actually this problem is occurring due to because their email or their activation code is blocked by a few servers. So what you need, if you are using VPN, so you can close the VPN so that you will get the activation code. But if you are not previously using VPN, now you can try with VPN, because might be in a few countries their server is banned, so you are not getting any activation code. So I will recommend you can try switch, like if you are using Wi-Fi you can switch to mobile, and or if you are using mobile you can switch back to Wi-Fi. I mean the changing the network will resolve the problem, or you can also change email. But if you still think that all the ways are not working, so still you can contact with this email and you can provide your data and they will create an account for you. So hopefully this video will be helpful to remove the problems related to the use of this SR plot website.